Raw power is initialized. Molten steel is violently cast into a monolithic mold. Forging. Extreme precision is applied. Automated massive presses violently cure the monolithic rubber claws, designed to
forging the invincible spine. Monolithic frame modules are violently fused to the chassis, establishing an unbreakable heavy-duty foundation.
The heart is transplanted. A colossal, twin-turbo violent monster.
The digital spine is wired. Master tacticians connect thousands of dynamic nodes, engineering absolute, network-dominant harvest supremacy.
Uncompromising heavy-duty articulation. The agricultural Leviathan violently commands 20 tons of momentum through catastrophic geometry.
Lethal internal precision. Master riggers violently torque the internal separation grates to catastrophic precision, guarantee absolute grain purity.
Aggressive mobility. Monolithic run-flat claws are violently torqued to the massive hubs, prepared to conquer catastrophic agricultural terrain.
Inside the control sanctuary, multi-SA radar arrays and dynamic AI autonomous systems are engaged, grant absolute network dominant supremacy.
Activation complete. The monolithic harvesting Leviathan, now weaponized with dynamic rotors and AI dominance.
A lethal architecture is mated. A monolithic 14-bottom deep ripper is violently locked to the Titan's spine, creating a catastrophic cultivan spearhead. Thermoclimate core violently ignites. A catastrophic V-Satine power pack is unleashed, ready to rewrite geological rules.
Uncompromising heavy-duty articulation. The Leviathan violently commands 20 tons of momentum through catastrophic geometry.
Extreme traction applied. Thousands of monolithic rubber claws violently bite the abyss, converting pure torque into catastrophic kinetic energy.
Ground Zero. The 700 horsepower beast violently annihilates the biological landscape, creating a sanctuary with mechanical brutality.
Inside the glowing digital sanctuary, Ghost in the Shell AI systems vehicle.
Catastrophic geometry mastered. The heavy-duty articulated spine violently contorts, engineering dynamic operational dominance.
The heart of thermodynamic dominance. Master riggers wire thousands of dynamic nodes, engineering infinite, network-dominant agricultural dominance. Tactical regeneration. The 70-ton Predator is violently fed hundreds of high-pressure fluid nodes, restoring its dynamic rotational torque matrix.
Mission complete. The monolithic high-horsepower Leviathan, now covered in tactical biological residue. The ultimate kinetic stress test begins. The Leviathan is chained to an immovable mountain of steel.
Traction pushed to the absolute breaking point. Uncompromising rubber violently screams against solid concrete, testing the catastrophic limits of the drive hubs.
Logical annihilation. The agricultural Predator violently shatters the bedrock, dragging a massive steel fang through the uncompromising earth.
Thermodynamic hellfire. The 16-liter core is violently pushed to the absolute redline, its twin turbos glowing with catastrophic, uncompromising heat.
Inside the epicenter of kinetic violence, the warfighter monitors the catastrophic load matrix as the machine screams at the edge of absolute destruction.
Geometric torture. The monolithic spine is violently contorted, testing the absolute limits of the catastrophic hydraulic articulation.
Breaching the liquid abyss, the Leviathan violently plunges into the flooded trench, its sealed kinetic core surviving absolute environmental flooding. Unleashing the thermodynamic wrath, the beast violently purges the byproduct of 700 horsepower, a catastrophic display of pure kinetic dominance.
Absolutely. An absurd ray of income, violent tasting, Turknage ray. The trial of violence is complete. The 70-ton agricultural titan survives the catastrophic purge.
The spearhead approaches the payload. The 70-ton Predator aligns with a colossal, multi-tank biological delivery system.
Wiring the kinetic artery, high-pressure thermid's umbilical cords are violently locked in, engineering a unified, uncompromising agricultural megastructure.
Commanding the expansion. The mechanical wingspan of a titan. 100 feet of uncompromising forged steel violently unfold.
High-velocity biological injection. A catastrophic pneumatic tornado violently blasts thousands of seeds through the mechanical veins of the Leviathan.
Lethal geometric penetration. Razor-sharp tungsten fangs violently slice the earth, executing a microscopic a mobile industrial space station. The Leviathan violently drags its massive tail, carving absolute tactical high-velocity reload. Thousands of pounds of chemical payload are violently purged into the beast's belly without surrendering a single inch of momentum.
Pure, uncompromising thermodynamic torque. The gargantuan claws violently bite down, conquering the catastrophic drag of the 100-foot steel tail.
The ultimate architect of the Earth. The 700 horsepower dominates the timeline.
Even titans fall to the abyss. The 70-ton predator is violently swallowed by a catastrophic, uncompromising liquid earth trap. Thermodynamic torque meets absolute friction failure. The catastrophic claws violently scream against the void, vomiting a tsunami of liquid earth.
Inside the compromised sanctuary, the digital brain screams in red, acknowledging absolute kinetic defeat against the geographical anomaly.
Heavy-duty cavalry arrives. A second 70-ton monolithic brother violently breaches the horizon, engineered for an uncompromising rescue.
Absolute kinetic tension. The massive forged lifeline violently snaps taut, engineered to channel 1400
horsepower violently ignites. The twin thermodynamic cores scream to the red line, unleashing a catastrophic torque matrix against the abyss.
breaking the Earth's grip. Pure, uncompromising mechanical violence overcomes the absolute suction of the abyss.
The brotherhood of raw steel. Two 70-ton monolithic titans dominate the ground truth.
Even in Titan's words, the mud-scarred Leviathan is violently dragged into the overhaul forge.
Amputating the defensive shell. A massive crane violently exposes the exhausted, dirt-choked thermodynamic core of the 70-ton Predator. The dead heart is extracted. A colossal crane violently rips the lifeless, oil-soaked V-16 core from the armored belly.
Cracking the thermodynamic vault. Brutal force violently shatters the seized bolts. Extrapolates.
A thermodynamic thermal purge. Blinding industrial lasers violently vaporize the fossilized carbon trauma, resurrecting the raw, invincible steel block.
Forging the new kinetic matrix. 0 Mile massive forged pistons are violently slammed into the resurrected cylinders, engineered for catastrophic high pressure.
Uncompromising mechanical mating. Colossal hydraulic force violently torques the titanium studs, sealing the combustion chamber for absolute thermodynamic violence.
Replacing the lungs, gargantuan 0 Mile twin turbochargers are violently fused to the core, ready to force-feed catastrophic volumes of pure oxygen into the beast.
The transplant is complete. The resurrected, gleaming thermodynamic core is violently dropped back into the armored chest of the Leviathan.
The Titan breathes again. Rebuilt from the raw steel up, the 16-liter core is flawlessly restored.
Elevating the Leviathan. Catastrophic hydraulic force violently lifts the 70-ton Predator, exposing its brutalized, mud-caked foundation.
Brute kinetic extraction. Human muscle and forged steel violently shatter the seized geometry, amputating the paralyzed, rusted rollers. A hypervelocity fluid purge. Blinding industrial pressure violently obliterates the hardened geological trauma, resurrecting the invincible steel spine.
Uncompromising mechanical mating. 100 tons of pure hydraulic rage violently forces 0 Mile bearings into the monolithic drive hubs.
Transfusing them with blood. The scorched, boiling fluid is violently purged and replaced with a catastrophic volume of pure synthetic torque, forging the kinetic link. Massive, razor-sharp drive sprockets are violently torqued to the axle, engineered to transfer catastrophic rotational force.
The ultimate claws are dropped. A colossal, single-piece rubber monolith is violently draped over the resurrected steel skeleton.
Catastrophic rotational validation. The massive drivetrain is violently spun to the red line, testing its absolute, heavy-duty mobility.
The foundation is restored. The 70-ton Predator violently strikes the Earth. Its monolith claws
sealing the thermodynamic vault. The massive armored shell is violently lowered back over the Titan's resurrected 16-liter heart.
The kinetic core is secured. Gargantuan steel locks violently seal the monolithic chest, forging an unbreakable mechanical bond.
The system is resurrected. Master tacticians violently reboot the central AI dominance hub.
Microscopic orbital alignment. The Leviathan violently syncs its LiDAR and GPS arrays with the satellite network, engineering absolute autonomous precision.
The final armor. The beast is violently smothered in a hypergloss industrial skin, erasing the trauma of its past battles and sealing the raw steel.
The thermodynamic core violently ignites.
The zero-mile twin-turbo heart screams to life.
Ready to... Casper Charmary Belt Validation. The resurrected articulated spine is violently flexed to the absolute limit.
Gigantic lift is tested. The massive rear umbilical violently deploys and retracts, ensuring flawless high-velocity payload manipulation.
The containment is breached. The heavy steel gates violently open, exposing the resurrected Leviathan.
The cycle of heavy industry is eternal. Rebuilt from the raw steel up, the ultimate agricultural predator violently